Okay, everyone. This is a special episode of this channel. Anyway, this video I would like to explore about this exterior and interior tiny house. But in this video is special because we can see about the almost all of the interior elements of this tiny house from the outside. Anyway, the dimension of this tiny house around 2.3 and 6.7 meter. Anyway, so you can imagine and you can figure out about this dimension of this tiny house. And anyway, we can see about the exterior. This is about the exterior design of this tiny house. We can see about the some accessories and some facilities of this tiny house with a air conditioner, and it has solar panel right there. It has a heater, water heater, and many more. And this position about the explanation about the interior element and section of this tiny house. Okay, we can see about the room arrangement first. So it's similar to the common tiny house over there. From the living room space on the middle area, the living room space on the middle area like this. It has a kitchen. This is a kitchen table on the right and left side, and on the right side it's especially for the refrigerator, cooker, and wastafel and or kitchen sink and we can see about the another position on the left side. It's about the oven and rice cooker. This is oven and rice cooker shelf and table, and this is about the shelf for saving washer machine and for the effective space and efficient space. For the effective and efficient space, the living room are on above of the uh, refrigerators, above of the washer machine. This is washer machine, and for the living room is positioned on above of on it. And then we can see about the mechanical arrangement of this tiny house. It's positioned on the bottom, so it could take space because it could take space, but air handler is positioned on this position, and we can see about the stair. This is about the split level of the tiny house. We can look around for the living room. This is for living room space, and it has a hammock. This is a hammock web to access to the bed and this is about the bed area. Maybe it could be accommodate king size bed or queen size bed because it's large enough for placing the bed area and the bed area especially has skylight right there. It has a skylight and back window right there, so this small bed is has enough dilating. Then we could see about the another room, especially for the bathroom. And this is about the bathroom. We can see about the floor arrangement of this bathroom. It has a closet, it has toilet, wastafel, mirror, and it has a floor drain system right this with elevation to the floor drain system. So the water drainage system are absolutely complete from this system. This is about the tiny house on wheels. We can see about it, and so it could be placed or moved to another site. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it would be a lot of benefit to all of you about this video, and I hope it will be insightful and give a lot of advantage to all of you. And just wait for my next video review in this channel. Thank you.